Hi everyone, and welcome to Chef Din's cooking tutorials. Here I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix your spices and then cook the dish. So before we start, please pause the video now and get all the ingredients ready you require to make this dish. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now, because then you'll get notified when I post new videos. And so let's not waste any more time and let's cook. But before we do start to cook, it's very important that we get everything ready before we start. When I started cooking these curries for my series, I had to spend good 3 hours getting the base gravy ready, getting the onions ready, and the chicken and all the other bits we need to create all different types of curries. And most importantly as well, we need to get our onions ready as well. There's 3 types of onions what we use in this style of cooking, and that is one, the Balti onions. I call them Balti onions because they are small, and it's what I used when I was making my Baltis back in the 80s. In the restaurant. So we need to get the Balti onions ready. We also need to get the Bhuna onions ready and the Dupiaza onions ready. The Dupiaza onions are mostly used in the Dupiaza dish and also in jal fry. So they are like just boiled and cooked for about I think about 3 or 4 minutes, and that's it, you turn it off. And also the Bhuna onions, which is boiled and cooked for about 10 minutes, then you turn it off. And then you have everything basically ready to start your curries. And all the recipes for the onions you find in the descriptions. I'll leave a link. But also, most important as well, you need the mixed spice. I create my own mixed spice. This is what I used in my restaurant. So it's very simple to make. So get this ready, and then we're all ready to go basically. If you have any queries or any questions, please do not hesitate to ask in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if I can, I will give you the information you need. So let's not waste any more time now and start cooking our curries. Cook a vegetable Madras with our pre-cooked vegetables, what I've made. I put that in the description as well for the pre-cooked vegetable recipe. This is a very simple recipe. All my dishes I cook are very simple. So we've put in some chili powder, some Worcester sauce, some mushrooms, a little bit of methi, a little bit of donya, and that's about it, and a little bit of squeeze of lemon juice. And then your gravy. Remember, the vegetables are near enough cooked anyway, because when I cook my vegetables, it's you could eat the vegetables without doing anything. So all we're doing is turning the pre-cooked vegetables into a curry form, and by doing that we're just adding the gravy, base gravy, which as you know is full of flavour as well. And that's it. It's one of probably the easiest ones to cook. Now all you have to do is let it heat up, cook it for a little while for the gravy to thicken, and then it's ready to serve. But remember, if the gravy is a little bit too thick, you have to add a little bit of water to it, because we need to be able to cook it at least 3 or 4 minutes until it thickens to the right consistency. This is very important. If the gravy is too thick, it will become really thick, which isn't nice. We want a kind of semi-thickness sauce, not too thick, not too runny. So if it's too thick, basically just add a little bit of water to your gravy and just bring it to the boil, then turn it off. And that way, if there's any oil in the gravy, it'll all come to the top as well. So that way you get no oil in your curries unless you add a little bit with the seasoned oil. What I normally do is, once the curry's cooked and I'm serving, I just finish off with a little bit of seasoned oil and just put that on the top, and then it looks like a really lovely curry as well. You'll see in the photo a little bit later in the video. Anyway, this is my take of vegetable Madras, It's really nice vegetable madras, even for people who don't like vegetables. Try it and you'll see what I mean. So that's vegetable madras. Thanks for watching. Hopefully there's loads more different curries for you to watch. And remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, because I'm always posting new videos. And make sure you hit that notification button as well, and the like as well, of course. And tell your friends, because I want to show everyone how easy it is to cook curries, and that is my whole objective here. So anyway, take care everybody, and see you soon in my next video.